Hi, today I'm going to read a book to you. And first, let's talk about my channel. So, welcome to Kids Play with Alex, because it's a new channel. And I'm going to read this book to you. And this is another story time. There was another book, another video of me reading a story. And so it's going to be another one called Instead Alex's Book, just because I don't want them to be too similar. And for now, let's start reading it to you. Birds in My Neighborhood, written by Alex, art by Alex. I have a bird house. Birds eat from the bird house. I put seeds for the birds to eat. Birds make nests. They lay eggs. The eggs hatch. Baby birds come out the eggs. Baby birds take about 2 weeks to grow up and leave their nest. There are different kinds of birds. These are the names: robin, blue jay, eagle, chicken, owl, magpie, hawk, crow. Birds make a sound. Listen to this sound. Teet, tweet. Now watch this video of birds tweeting. There is a nest in this tree and like vines and at my friend's house, and you can hear them but you can't see them right now. And they're just baby birds. They're so cute. Tweet, tweet. How cool is that? Now you can make a book like this on the computer. How I made it is I took pictures and sent it to the computer, and I just found this and I put pages, and you know how I put this color on? You press background, then you press the dot, and then you can use your color. And then when you're done finding your color, you click done, and then there's a background color. And thank you. Bye.